nice to keep your all the stuff, related stuff, local. This is something, this isn't actually code from Grocery Sync. This more or less comes out of the more advanced application. But here we have a method that just returns a query that other parts of the code can call to get a query. So first, this code goes and looks up the view. If the view doesn't have a map block already, then that means that we haven't yet configured the view on this launch of the app. So here we put in that code, same code as I showed before, basically, that just defines the map block of the view and configures it for use. And then after that, the view is ready to create a query from. It's really functionally the same thing as what I showed already, but it's nice in that it combines everything into a single method. All right, back to Grocery Sync. Here's the bit of stuff that we need to do in the nib to get stuff set up. So if you follow these arrows, first from the file's owner, which is the root view controller, we have an outlet pointing to the table source, which is that CBL UI table source object. The table source gets wired up to the table view gets wired up back to the table source as its data source outlet. And then the file's owner, the root view controller, also has an outlet pointing directly to the table view. So to display the table cells, UIKit, the UI table view has this the data source will use cell for row method. And the CBL UI table source defines a sort of slightly customized one called couch table source. We'll use cell for row that basically does the same thing. It's just that instead of passing you just the row number, it's giving you the actual row from the query results. So this allows you to look at the